Hello children, let us continue with our parts of speech, and in this episode we are going to deal with the next member, that is adjectives. Now what are adjectives? Adjectives are those words which describe the quality or the states of being of a noun. Let me give you some examples. So, words like enormous, huge, silly, beautiful, they are all describing the quality of a noun. Therefore, these words are describing words describing the quality of the noun. They are called as adjectives. Adjectives are also those words which describe the quantity of noun. Now, these are describing the quality of the noun. There are those words which describe the quantity of the noun. Quantity of the noun like many, few, millions, 11, several. These are the words which are describing the quantity of the noun. So, when the words are describing either the quality of the noun or the quantity of the noun, then we call them as adjectives. Let me give you some examples in the sentences so that you understand better. Now, if you look at these sentences, Margaret wore a beautiful hat. So, the word beautiful is modifying the noun hat. So, this beautiful is an adjective which is describing the quality of the hat, which is beautiful. So, this beautiful word is modifying the noun hat. Then, furry dogs overheat in summers. Now, what kind of dogs? Furry dogs. So, furry is describing the kind of dog. So, again furry is an adjective. My cake should have 13 candles. How many candles? 13. So, my cake should have 13 candles. 13 is telling us how many candles, quantity of the noun. Therefore, 13 is again an adjective. The scariest monster is sure. Now, the scariest, the kind of monster. So, this is again describing the quality of the noun, that is monster. It is modifying the noun monster. Therefore, this is an adjective. Now, in these sentences, it is very easy to pick out the adjectives because they are all placed before a noun. Hat, beautiful hat, then furry dogs, then 13 candles and scariest monster. So, they are all placed before the noun, so they can be easily picked out. Now, what are the uses of adjectives? They answer the questions how is, how much or how many. So, how is something, that is quality, how much or how many, how much when the noun attached to it is uncountable, how many when the noun attached to it is countable. So, they will give to the readers these answers, how is, how much and how many. If I have to give you an example, Now if we have to use, please use 4 red flowers in this arrangement. Now we have 4 and red. So the flowers are 4 in number and they are red in color. Again, this flower is a noun here, and 4 and red are modifying the noun flower. We have one more noun here, which is arrangement, and we have a word before this. This also comes under an adjective of one kind, which we will do when we are doing the kinds of adjectives. So here quality, quantity and quality is what we are looking at the moment. So 4 and red, they are describing the quantity and quality of the noun, so they are adjectives. Now often when we are writing 2 or more adjectives for a single noun, if 2 or more adjectives are modifying a single noun, then we either use a comma or we use a conjunction between the nouns. Let us see an example. Now, I want a small, good-tempered dog. My adjectives here are small and good-tempered. It is separated by a comma. So, I want a small, good-tempered dog. So, this is using a comma. We are writing 2 adjectives together for a single noun. Now, same thing I can write as now my dog is small and good tempered. So here again we have 2 adjectives, small and good tempered, and it is separated by and, which is a conjunction, which we will see when we are going to do the conjunction part of the parts of speech. So small and good tempered, they are 2 adjectives which is connected by the word and. So this is how we can write many adjectives together for a single noun by either using a comma or by using conjunction. And what we see here is that after small and good tempered, we do not have a noun directly there, but small and good tempered are modifying the noun dog. So that is how we see adjectives are those words which modify nouns. They add something to the meaning of the nouns, and they are either telling us about the quality of the noun or the quantity of the noun. Besides this also they do some additional work which we will see in the kinds of adjectives. Hope these things are clear with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.